Have you ever felt tired for no reason? Cold hands and feet, brain fog that won't lift, or pressure in your chest after meals? What if I told you your problem might not be low energy, aging, or stress? It could be thick blood. Blood that's moving slowly. Blood that's sticky. Blood that struggles to deliver oxygen. Doctors call it high blood viscosity, but most people experience it long before it shows up on a lab test. And here's the good news. Your blood can naturally become thinner, starting with what you eat. Today, I'll show you 10 powerful foods that naturally thin the blood, improve circulation, and support heart health, without drugs and without extreme diets. Stick with me till the end, because number 7 and number 9 are game changers most people overlook. What does thick blood really mean? Let's clear something up. Thick blood doesn't mean your blood turns into syrup. It means red blood cells clump together. Blood flows more slowly. Oxygen delivery drops. Pressure on the heart increases. This raises the risk of blood clots, high blood pressure, stroke, heart disease. And here's the scary part. You can have thick blood even if your cholesterol is normal. Signs your blood may be too thick. You might relate to this if you experience cold hands and feet, tingling or numbness, headaches, dizziness, shortness of breath, brain fog, dark circles under the eyes, fatigue after eating. These are circulation warnings, not random symptoms. Now let's talk solutions, starting with food. The 10 foods that naturally thin the blood. 1. Garlic. Garlic is one of the most powerful natural blood thinners on Earth. Why? Reduces platelet clumping. Improves blood flow. Lowers inflammation. Supports artery flexibility. Raw garlic works best. Try 1 clove daily, crushed and mixed with food. 2. Ginger. Ginger works similarly to aspirin, but naturally. It reduces clot-forming compounds. Improves circulation. Warms cold extremities. Ginger tea after meals is especially effective. 3. Berries. Blueberries, strawberries, blackberries. Berries are rich in polyphenols and flavonoids. They reduce oxidative stress, improve blood vessel flexibility, reduce platelet aggregation. The darker the berry, the stronger the effect. 4. Extra virgin olive oil. This is liquid medicine for your blood. Olive oil reduces inflammation, improves HDL cholesterol, prevents blood from thickening. Use it raw on salads or vegetables for maximum benefit. 5. Fatty fish, salmon, sardines, mackerel. These are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce blood viscosity, lower triglycerides, improve circulation. Aim for 2 to 3 servings per week. 6. Cayenne pepper. Cayenne boosts circulation instantly, helps break up blood stagnation, improves vessel dilation. A pinch in warm water or food goes a long way. 7. Citrus fruits. Oranges, lemons, and grapefruits contain vitamin C, bioflavonoids. They strengthen blood vessels, reduce clot risk, improve flow. Start your morning with warm lemon water. 8. Dark chocolate, 70% plus. Yes, this one surprises people. Dark chocolate improves blood flow, reduces platelet stickiness, supports heart health. Moderation is key. 1 to 2 small squares. 9. Turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin, which reduces inflammation, improves circulation, helps prevent clot formation. Always pair with black pepper for absorption. 10. Leafy greens, in balance. Spinach, kale, and arugula support blood health, but balance matters. They support vessel strength, provide minerals for circulation. If you're on blood thinners, consult your doctor first. Foods that thicken blood. Quick warning. If you want thinner blood, reduce processed sugar, refined carbs, fried foods, excess alcohol, dehydration. Water is not optional for dehydration. Thickens blood fast. Daily routine for healthy blood flow. Simple daily habits. Drink water upon waking. Add garlic or ginger daily. Walk 20 to 30 minutes. Eat whole foods. Manage stress. Stress thickens blood. If this video helped you understand your body better, like this video. Share it with someone who needs it. Subscribe to Nature Life Remedy for natural healing insights. And comment below, which food surprised you the most? Your body is always speaking. You just need to know how to listen.